That's weird. There's a giant wall of toilet paper.
Surprise!
Oh, hey, Will.
Wow.
What do you got there?
A train. Choo, 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 choo.
The FAO Schwarz 30-piece motorized train set.
Wow. Do this. That's styrofoam. Oh man. Oh. It's too heavy.
It's coming out. It's coming out.
We got one from now. Oh, Willy, this does have tracks. Here's a
Whoa. You need some help?
yeah.
Okay, come here. Give me that end of the box and I'll pull it. All right. Okay, now go pull the box on that from that side. There we are. We got a bunch of tracks, a few trains. You ready to do this?
Yeah. Let's take out all the stuff. Trains first. Whoa! Is there any people? Can we get any people over here?
Probably, if they fit.
The doors don't really open.
Get the rest of it out.
Like that. Oh my god, this black one. Oh, this one opens. It seems that people can get in here. People can get in here, right?
Yeah, you can squeeze them in there.
Yeah. People. This one is open. Now let's take the track set. Favorite part of the time. Also, got a big track now. Whoa. Here. There's so many.
I'm gonna help you. There we go. All right, let's set this up.
Machine's all set up.
All right, well, you ready to start it up? Let's see what it could do. Why'd you stop it? It's derailed? Alright. I think you just derailed it yourself. Let me help you. Wait. Right, I think you're good now. Okay, there you go. Oh yeah. You think it can knock down a toilet paper? Let's find out. Let's see if it can knock down this toilet paper.
Yeah, put it quickly.
Ooh. Let's stack it really high. Go get a bunch of them, William. Hurry up, go get a bunch of them. Bunch of toilet papers. Quickly, stack them up. Quickly before it gets there. It's coming. Train's coming. Whoa, you don't need a train. Oh, I got an idea. Let's put it this way. Let's see if we can roll it down the track. Just one of them, okay? Yeah, right there, that's good. Here it's coming, let's see if it rolls it down the track.
It doesn't matter when it comes up here.
It's rolling it. It's rolling up with a lot on there.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, it's stuck.
Sorry.
You want to put some people in your train?
Yeah. I'm putting these guys in the train.
Okay. Those from your Imaginext toy set?
Yeah. Let's put in here.
You can put one right there on the little balcony. Stand up in there.
Yeah. Or you can put one up here.
They fit. There you go.
He fits, so we have to take this thing off. We have to take this thing off. He's a master of karate.
Alright, what do we got, Will?
We got a soldier,
Soldier.
dinosaur,
Dinosaur. Another dinosaur.
robot,
Transformer. Soldier.
Wonder Woman,
Supergirl.
dinosaur, and a pirate.
Okay, and we also got a little tunnel of toilet paper, and we're gonna push the little roll through the tunnel with the train. Let's see. Why don't you load up your passengers on the train?
Oh, the more. I'm in this seating. Everyone's going in here.
The little soldier guy right here. So you get
This
the
robot.
dinosaur. Go right there.
Everyone's going on the train.
Put this guy up here.
It's about to leave in 30 minutes. Uh-oh, do it quickly. It's going to leave in 30 minutes. If he says 1:30.
Alright. Turn it on, Will. Turn it on. Let's see how it does. Oops.
You're going to kill the little dinosaur.
My bad, Willie.
Good job. Smoke coming out.
Is there smoke coming out? Let's try this again. Alright, Willie, we're gonna play train versus dinosaur. Who do you think's gonna win?
Train.
Let's see.
Ready. Set. Get mark. Set. Go.
Train won.
Train. What about train versus soldier?
Alright, now it is train versus soldiers.
Yeah.
Who do you think's gonna win?
Train again. Let's see who's gonna win. Who's gonna win? Oh,
Train won.
train won. Why does the train keep winning?